In today's video, we're going to walk you through GoHighLevel step by step, especially for beginners who feel overwhelmed when they first log in. What's up guys, my name is Kyle, and this video is for anyone who's ever opened up GoHighLevel and thought, this looks powerful, but I have no idea where to start. A lot of people sign up for GoHighLevel because they want automation, better follow-ups, and more organized systems. But once you're inside the account, it can feel like everything is everywhere. There are contacts, conversations, calendars, workflows, funnels, and it's not always clear how it all fits together. So by the end of this video, you'll understand how GoHighLevel is structured, which sections actually matter when you're starting out, how leads follow through the system, and how all the core pieces connect without overcomplicating things. This isn't an advanced setup. This is the foundation you need to feel confident using GoHighLevel. Before we jump in, if you don't have an account yet, I do have a link in the description that gives you an extended 30-day free trial instead of the standard 14 days. Once you click that link, you want to click Start Extended Free Trial. Enter your name, company name, email, and phone number. You can then add your credit card information, but you won't be charged until the trial ends. And here's a quick tip. If you're still deciding, set a reminder for day 29 so you can make a decision before anything is charged. Having access while you watch this makes everything click a lot faster. So now let's take a look at how GoHighLevel is actually laid out. The most important thing to understand as a beginner is that GoHighLevel isn't just a collection of random tools. It's a system. At a high level, everything inside GoHighLevel is built around this flow. Leads come in, conversations happen, and actions run automatically in the background. Once you understand that flow, the platform stops feeling chaotic and starts feeling intentional. You don't need to master everything at once. You just need to know where things live and how they connect. And that's exactly what we're going to focus on. When you first log in, you'll see a lot of menu items, but there are only a few sections that you need to care about right now. First is contacts. This is where every lead and client lives. If someone fills out a form, books a call, or messages you, they end up here. And to find your contacts, you'll see it in the left column just below calendars. Next is conversations, and this is above calendars in the left column. And this is your central inbox. Emails, SMSs, Facebook, and Instagram. Everything funnels into one place, so you're not jumping between platforms. Then there's calendars, which is in the left column just below conversations. This is where you create booking pages for discovery calls, onboarding calls, or appointments. You'll also want to know automations. You can also find this in the left column towards the bottom. This is where workflows live. Things like follow-up emails, text messages, tagging contacts, and internal notifications. And finally, sites and funnels. This is where leads actually come from. Forms, landing pages, and funnels. Everything else can come later. These 5 areas power most beginner setups. Next, let's connect the dots. A simple GoHighLevel flow looks like this. Someone fills out a form or books a call, they're added as a contact. A workflow sends follow-up messages, tags are applied so you know where they come from, and you continue the conversation or move them forward. Once you see it this way, GoHighLevel stops feeling complicated. You're not learning dozens of tools. You're learning one system with connected parts. And the engine that makes all of this work is automation. Before clicking anything, let's quickly break down how automations actually work. Every workflow has 4 main components. Triggers, what starts the automation. Actions, what happens after it starts. Delays, when things happen. And tags, how contacts are organized. For example, someone submits a form, that's a trigger. An email or SMS gets sent, that's an action. You wait a day or two, that's delay. You label the contact, that's the tag. There's no coding here, it's just logic. If this happens, then do this. One of the biggest mistakes that beginners make is trying to automate everything at once. Instead of building 10 workflows, start with one simple goal, like sending a follow-up when someone fills out a form. Another common mistake is not naming things clearly. As your account grows, clear names save you from editing the wrong workflow later. And finally, a lot of people forget to test. If you don't test from from a real user's perspective, small mistakes can go unnoticed. Keeping things simple early on is what builds confidence. And the best way to learn GoHighLevel is by actually doing, but doing it safely. Start with one basic workflow, use your own email and phone number, watch how messages send and tags apply. Your first setup doesn't need to be perfect. A simple system that works is always better than a complex one that never goes live. GoHighLevel is best used for capturing leads, automating follow-ups, booking calls, and managing conversations. If your goal is conversations and automations, this platform shines. If you're just building a static website, it may be more than you need. Understanding when and why to use it makes everything easier. After your 30-day free trial, there are two main plans that people consider. The starter plan is $97 per month and is perfect for solopreneurs. You get workflows, calendars, funnels, unlimited contacts, and up to 3 sub-accounts. The unlimited plan is $297 per month, and this gives you unlimited sub-accounts, API access, and a branded desktop app. Most beginners start with Starter and upgrade later if needed. And that's the foundation of GoHighLevel. Once you understand how contacts, calendars, conversations, and automations work together, the platform becomes a lot less intimidating and a lot more powerful. If you want to try this yourself, you can use the link in the description to get access to a 30-day free trial. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Using our links helps support the channel and allows us to keep creating free step-by-step tutorials just like this. If this video helped, make sure to like it, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video. This channel is all about helping you master GoHighLevel in a clear, beginner-friendly way so you can build systems that actually save you time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.